So it was July 4th was my day to check these cells. These are grafted cells, and I did, and I didn't like what I saw, so I left them alone. It's the 16th today, and so far I like what I see, but I don't expect 100%. And if I don't get 100%, it's kind of long time. Could have laying workers or something. That's a big honey frame right there. Even a queenless colony, they'll keep bringing honey and keep bringing nectar and making honey. That's all I see so far. I'm starting to roar now, so I think there's a queen in here. I may be wrong. I see no indication of a laying queen. Okay, so in such a case, there are good resources here. There's honey, there's a little bit of pollen, pretty good population of bees, if you look at it from the standpoint of a nuke or a split, for example. So they're actually an excellent candidate for a mated queen. And since I've been grafting my own queens, I actually have a mated queen that I can put in here. So this is one of my 2020 grafted queens, and I've marked her already. Have queen candy in the end. Let's see how they react to her. I can hear that roar subside just a little immediately. Look at that, they love her. They love her. Mama's home. They're not biting and stinging the cage. Okay, so I'll put her in between these frames, right in here. And they can feed her and take care of her through the cage for the next couple days until they eat through that candy. And then they'll be a laying queen.